Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. So in this video I'm going to show you a simple method to create a split object transition in DaVinci Resolve. So a split object transition is when your subject appears to split apart and reveals the next clip underneath. You've probably seen this in viral reels and also cinematic YouTube edits, and here I'm going to recreate it using only built-in tools in DaVinci Resolve. So first you can drop your main clip in the track 1, for example in here. I'm going to use this one as the main clip, and now place your next clip like this, and now you can cut the clip right where your subject looks the best. So for example, I'm going to cut in here. Now you can just click on the main clip and choose to retime controls, click on the drop down and click on freeze frame like this. So this frees your subject so we can split it apart for the transitions. So next one, you can go to the color page in here and use the power windows to mask your subject. You can draw a clean mask around your subject and then drag it forward in if needed. So this is the secret step that makes the effects look professional. So in here you can just right click and click on add node and choose to add serial. After that you can click on this power windows option and then just choose the masking shape. You can just draw a clean mask around your subject. So I'm going to just go with curve and draw around the subject like this. So make sure that it is cut out just like this. And after that you can just duplicate the mask clip. You can just right click on it and duplicate it. You can just go back to the edit and duplicate it again, and you can adjust the position and rotation of each copy. So one moves to the left and the other one moves right, and after that add keyframes so the piece is animated outward, revealing the next clip below. You can also add a little motion blur to make it even look better. So that's how you can create a stunning split object transition in DaVinci Resolve. If this helped you, hit the like button, subscribe, and also click on the thanks. So I'll see you in the next one.